To change slow motion speed on POCO F7 Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to the camera, and of course we want to go to more in order to find the slow motion mode over here. In slow motion, you should be able to tap over here in the top right corner on the frame rate, where we can switch between different frame rates. You can also tap on this arrow at the top, or we can simply swipe down in order to open these camera options, where we can also find the frame rate. And in general, the higher the amount of frames per second, the more effective the slow motion is. So with 960 frames per second, the slow motion is pretty much the slowest. Of course, there are some downgrades in this case. If you use 960 frames per second, then you only have a small part of a video available to be recorded. Whereas if you use, for example, 240, you can record for pretty much as much as possible, or as much as you can or want. So that is essentially it. In general, or to sum up, the frame rate affects the slow motion speed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!